Good morning, boys and girls. Now, last week we spoke about sentences and we spoke about starting sentences with a capital. So this sentence has a few mistakes and we spoke about an I never standing on its own. It can be in a word like that, but it can't ever stand like that on its own because I refers to me, a person, and that is an important letter, so it's got to stand. If it stands on its own, it's got to be a capital letter. And then we know that our names start with capitals. And then we spoke about how to end the different kinds of sentences with a full stop if it's a sentence, a question mark if it's a question, and an exclamation mark to show surprise or shouting or that you need help or something like that. So it's where you exclaim something, where you really are shouting it or showing some kind of emotion, that you're angry or that you're sad or that you're scared or you're surprised. So let's have a look at those. We had a full stop, we had a question mark, and we had an exclamation mark. And then we looked at the different capitals. So let's have a look at this sentence, because now we're going to add some more capitals that you can look at in correcting my silly mistakes this week in my sentences. So let's have a look. Can I play on Monday, Kathy? So is that a sentence? No, it's not a normal sentence. Is it asking something? Yes, it is. It's saying, can I play on Monday, Kathy? You're asking Kathy if you can go and play on Monday. Maybe at her house, maybe her and Mark's house, I don't know. But you are asking something. So this needs to end with a question mark. And then let's look at the capital letters. Can needs to start with the capital. I, always written with a capital when it stands on its own. Can I play on Monday? What about Monday? All right, day is any old day of the week. Today, yesterday, but this day has a name, and the name of it is Monday. So because it has a special name, like your name, it needs a capital. And then Kathy is the name of a girl, and that also needs a capital. Right. So having a look at this, we have learned these three now, so I'm not going to go through those again, but this is where we had capitals in the sentence. The start of a sentence, I is always a capital. Monday, because it's a special name of a day. And Kathy, special name of a girl. So in looking at that, we can say that we use capital letters when we start a sentence. So I'm going to just use the word can again, because then you can remember that. So it's at the start of a sentence, and then the sentence goes over here. I is always a capital. We never put I anywhere like that on its own. I'm going to cross it out. And then I spoke about the name of a day. So days, day, could be any day. Then there was a name of a girl. This could be any girl. We could have the name of a month, but this could be any month. And we could have the name of a place. And we could have the name of a boy, or a man, or a lady. So these are all written with small letters, because this could be any day, any month, any place, any girl, any boy, any man, any lady, and so on. But as soon as you give one of these a special name, then it is written with a capital. So when we give a day a name, like Tuesday, then it has a capital. So we can say that we start a sentence with a capital. I is always written as with a capital. And when we give ordinary things special names, they are always written with a capital. So any old day, Tuesday, capital. Then a month, any month, small letter. The month, July, capital. So let's leave those there. I don't know if you can see all of them. Let's put that there. Then a girl's name. Here we go. And a boy's name, Kathy and Mark. There's Kathy and there's Mark. But boy and girl could be anybody. As soon as we give them special names, they are written with capitals. And then a place. If you say a town, it is written like that. Or school, it's written like that. But as soon as you give it a name, then it has a capital. So if we go to Durban, it has a capital. Cape Town, remember the word is Cape Town, and the whole word is the name of a place. So both letters must have a capital. And it's the same as our wonderful school or college. So it's La, capital, Sol, capital, college, because that is the whole name of our school. All capitals. Right, so remember that. Durban, Cape Town, La Salle College. And then the last one, here is Sam the fox. So this is an animal. So animal could be any animal. So it's a small letter. Fox is a kind of animal, but it's not a special name. It's just a fox. There could be thousands of foxes. So it's any old fox. But this isn't any old fox. This is Sam the fox. So Sam has a capital. So let's just go through capitals one last time. You always start a sentence with a capital. You always use I when it stands on its own as a capital, never like that. And then looking at all of these things, as soon as you give something a special name, like the months, July, then it has a capital, or a day, Tuesday, capital. Sam has a capital because it's a name, and we also spoke about Kathy and Mark. So as soon as you give an ordinary thing, like a girl or a boy or a town or a place or a school or an animal, a special name, day or month, it has a capital. So let's see if you can find all of those capitals this week in the sentences that I have left out. Good luck. Let's hope you find them all.